Hi, my name is Justice Gordon, and I'm just going to talk about what was in my literacy backpack. And so for my artifact, I included a zebra pillow pet because I think the kids would really enjoy talking about their bedtime routine and being able to cuddle or sleep on a pillow pet. And then for my two fiction books, I chose Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown and Goodnight Little Bunny by Emily Hawkins. And then for my nonfiction book, I couldn't find an actual copy of it, so I had to download it on my Kindle, and so I gave the family my Kindle. And that one was Squirrels Leap, Squirrels Sleep. And that one is by April Sayre. And then also pictured is my family literacy journal, where the families talked about their bedtime routine and how they overall like the book, um, and then the activities I had, since it is gauged towards preschool and kindergarten age kids, I had them it's mostly just verbal talking with their family member or whoever's doing it with them, but there's also some where they drew pictures, and I honestly didn't take a picture. I totally forgot, but I have them somewhere, so I'm hoping I can post them maybe after this week. But some of the stuff was so cute that that she drew me, and so I think that she really enjoyed it. And based on the family feedback form, the family really enjoyed it. They had spent time together that they normally don't spend time reading towards the end of the night, but having this theme helped them set aside time to read with their little girl and help them like have fun and do activities. She gave me feedback and said that I should have put more engagement stuff for the little girl in the journal so that she could like put stickers like sleeping animals and stuff like that, like stickers. But overall, I think she liked it, and I think it went really well. I really hope that I can I can give it to more families in the future and see how they like it just as much. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks.